As most leaders gathered at the climate summit at the United Nations, activists attempted to #shut down DC Monday morning.
We need to stop from business as usual. Climate change is no longer a theoretical possibility in the future.
Relatively small crowds of protesters blocked the streets in a few spots across downtown DC during rush hour, with their bodies, their signs, and even a boat.
Showing up to an event like this that's more disruptive, that inconveniences daily life a little bit, I think is important because climate crisis is going to be inconveniencing daily life more and more for a lot of people.
But realistically, this wasn't the trending event as advertised. It was a small turnout with a few dozen protesters arrested as they blocked an intersection. The protest that was supposed to last all day was over before lunch.
All reflect God who is good.
Protesters from one group say they're focusing on the intersection of faith and climate, specifically choosing their route to pass by various houses of worship.
We're calling for the church and for our society to put those statements, those good words, into action.
This planet is home to all of us, and if we take our lives to be sacred or spiritual in any way, regardless of our faith, then we should be out here.
But they say even small turnouts are important to bring about big conversation.
It's like people aren't talking about it with each other. There's this kind of silent concern and anxiety. So for me, what's important in my work is trying to help give people an opportunity to actually express their care.